Okay. Today we are going to discuss the questions based on graphs. So this is assignment which is on 12th August 2020. Main topic is graphs. So question number 1. A sample of an ideal monatomic gas is taken round the cycle ABCA as shown in the figure. The work done during the cycle is. This is given as, this is the closed loop. So cyclic process. So in this cyclic process, so started at A, reaches to the same point A. So what is the work done? Work done is area of the graph is nothing but work done. Area of the graph, area enclosed by the graph. So that is, triangle is there of base into height. Of what is the base? Here base is from here to here 3v minus v. 3v minus v is the base. What is height? 4p minus p. 4p minus p is the height. So this is 2v into 3p. So 2 cancel here. So we are getting 3pv. So this is the work done. So that is the area enclosed by the loop in the cyclic process. Work done is 3pv. So answer is second option. So 3pv is the answer. Okay. Second question. The heat energy absorbed by a system is going through a cyclic process as shown in the figure. This is the cyclic process. Where it is started, it ends at the same point. So cyclic process. Pressure is on x-axis given in kilopascal. Volume in liters is given. So what is the energy, heat energy absorbed by the system? You know, heat energy absorbed by the system, to find this, we have to apply first law of thermodynamics. You know, given options 10 cube pi joule, 10 square pi joule, 10 power 4 pi joule, 10 power 7 pi joule. So listen, according to first law of thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. So as du is 0 in cyclic process, so only dw. dq is equal to dw. So what is w? That is nothing but area enclosed by the loop. Area of loop. Okay. Since this area is actually circle, it is, so pi r square. So pi r square is nothing but radius along x-axis and radius along y-axis I am writing, because on x-axis there is a pressure, on y-axis there is a volume. So we have to write pi into radius along x-axis, that is 30 minus 10 by 2. 30 minus 10 by 2. Kilopascal is given, that is 10 cube, into ry, radius along y-axis. This is radius along x-axis. So radius along y-axis 30 minus 10. That is also 30 minus 10 by 2 into, so liters is there, 1 liter is 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So we have to convert liters into meter cube. This minus 3 plus 3 cancel here. dq is equal to pi into 20 by 2 into 20 by 2, like this. So this 2 cancel here, 2 cancel. We are getting pi into 100, that is 10 square. So 10 square pi into 10 square is answer. So 10 square pi joules is the answer. So heat absorbed, that is also equal to work done, which is area enclosed by the loop. So area of the closed loop, that is 10 square pi joule. Okay, right. Okay, question number 3. During isothermal, isobaric and adiabatic process, the work done for same change in volume will be maximum. So he is asking, given the graph ABC is nothing but, this is isobaric, this is isothermal, this is adiabatic. So in which process more work is to be done, he is asking the question. First option isothermal, isobaric, adiabatic, none of the above. So listen, area under graph, that is nothing but work done. Area under the graph. So area under curve. Area under the graph. Area under the curve gives the work done. So in these three cases, what is the work done? Work done is more in which case? So area under A is more compared with B than C. So what is the work done area under A is more, so WA is greater than WB is greater than WC. So work done in case of A, that is more. A is nothing but, what is A here? That is isobaric. So work done in isobaric process is more. So what is the work in this given options? Work done in which case is more? That is nothing but in isobaric process. That is nothing but in process A. A is giving the isobaric, so work done under area under A, curve A is more, so work done in isobaric process is more. So answer is second option. Okay. Okay. Question number 4. An ideal monatomic gas is taken round the cycle ABCDA as shown in following PV diagram. The work done during the cycle is. This is also cyclic process. You know, in cyclic process, area of the graph area enclosed by the graph is gives the work done. So he is asking the work done. First option PV, second option 2 PV, third is 4 PV, fourth option is 0. Okay. So what is the work done? Work done is area of the graph. Area of the graph is gives the work done. Okay. So what is area? That is nothing but length into breadth. This is rectangle is given now. So length I am writing, this is the length. Length is nothing but 3p minus p. That is 3p minus p is the length. So this is the breadth here to here. So this is v, this is 3v. So 3v minus v. This is the breadth. So now 2p into 2v. So this is we are getting, that is 4pv. So work done is 4pv. So we are getting the work done. This is the area of the graph enclosed by the graph, that is 4pv. 4pv is answer. So third option is correct. Okay. Question number 5. A gas is taken through a cycle A to B, B to C, C to A as shown. The net work done by the gas is. So given PV graph, actually pressure on y-axis is given 10 power 5 Pascal. Volume on x-axis is given 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So options are given minus 2000 joule, 2000 joule, 1000 joule, 0. So you know similar, that is what is the work done? What is work done? Area of the graph. Okay. So that is the work done. So what is that is half base into height. Why? There is a triangle. So what is base? Base here 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 into 10 power minus 3, because minus 3 meter cubes are given. Height is 6 minus 2, that is 4 into 10 power 5, because 10 power 5 pascals are given on y-axis. So now this is 4 into 5, that is 20 by 2, 10 to the power of 2 actually. Okay. So 2 cancel here. So 10 into 10 square, that is 1000 joule. So what is the work done? This is work done is positive. Why? This is the clockwise changes. The graph is going the changes in clockwise. So that's why we are getting the positive work done. So work done in clockwise changes, the work done is positive. That value is 1000 joule. So 1000 joule is the work done in this given question. So 1000 joule is the answer. So third option is correct. Okay. Question number 6. A thermodynamic system undergoes cyclic process ABCDA as shown in figure. The work done by the system in the cycle is. So he is given the graph. P is on y-axis, volume is on x-axis. So actually this graph is given. So asking the what is the work done? Work done is P naught V naught, 2 P naught V naught, P naught V naught by 2, 0. So these are the options. You know, in any PV graph, during the clockwise changes, work done is positive. Okay. During the anti-clockwise changes, work done is negative. Here, this graph is anti-clockwise. This graph is clockwise. So what is the work done? Net work done is that is nothing but area of the loop. Area of the loop is nothing but work done. So what is area of This is the clockwise. This lower loop is clockwise. So of base into height. Base is V, height is P naught. Because 2 P naught minus P naught. Clockwise positive. This is the anti-clockwise changes to this loop. So minus of base is same V, height is 3 P naught minus 2 P naught. That is also P naught. So what we are getting? P naught V by 2 minus P naught V by 2. So what we are getting here, work done is 0. Work done is 0. So here 0 work we are getting. So fourth option is correct. So work done in this case 0. Fourth option is correct. Okay. Question number 7. 1 mole of an ideal diatomic gas undergoes a transition from A to B along a path AB as shown in figure. The change in internal energy of the gas during the transition is. He is asking change in internal energy. On y-axis kilopascals are given, on x-axis meter cubes are given, 4 to 6. Here first option is minus 12 kilojoule, 20 kilojoule, minus 20 kilojoule, fourth option is 20 joule. So in this what is asking, in any process, change in internal energy actually NCV dt. So NCV is for diatomic gas, that is nothing but 5R by 2. So dt is TB minus TA. As it going from A to B, so temperature at B minus temperature at A. So 5 by 2 NR. What is TB? TB is here from PV equal to nRT. Temperature is equal to PV by NR. PV by NR. 2 into 6, that is 12. 12 into kilopascal is given 10 cube by NR minus. So here at A is nothing but 4 is the volume, pressure is 5. This is 20. Kilo is there, so 10 cube by NR. PV by NR, temperature is PV by NR. Okay. So 5 by 2. This NR cancel here. So 12 minus 20, that is minus 8 into 10 cube. So this is 24 minus 20 into 10 cube. Right. This is minus 20 kilojoule. So answer is increase in the change in internal energy due to the transition from A to B. That is we are getting minus 20 kilojoule. So answer is third option, minus 20 kilojoule is the answer. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. PV diagram of an ideal gas is as shown in figure. Work done by the gas in the process ABCD is. So A to B, B to C, C to D. So it's not a closed curve. It's not a cyclic process. Started at A, ends at D. So P on y-axis, volume is on x-axis. Options are given P naught V naught, 2 P naught V naught, 3 P naught V naught, 5 P naught V naught. See here, you know what is the work done? Work done, total work done is work done from A to B plus work done from B to C plus work done from C to D. Okay. So from work done from A to B, pressure is constant. Pressure P naught is constant. So P naught into change in volume. Volume at B, V naught minus volume at A, 2 V naught. Okay. Plus WBC. From B to C, volume V naught is constant. So at constant volume, the work done is 0. C to D, here to here. So again pressure is constant. PdV, actually formula PdV. 2 P naught into change in volume. So finally 3 V naught, initially V naught. So 3 V naught minus V naught. Okay. So this is the change in volume. Totally minus P naught V naught plus 3 V naught minus V naught, that is 2 V naught. Totally 4 P naught V naught. 4 minus 1, 3 P naught V naught. So this is the total work done from A to D. So A to D, from A to B initially, B to C, C to D, total work done, we are finding that 3 P naught V naught. So answer is third option, we are getting 3 P naught V naught. 3 P naught V naught is the answer. Question number 9. 1 mole of a monoatomic ideal gas undergoes the process A to B in the given PV diagram. What is the specific heat for this process? So here A to B is given the graph. So P is on y-axis, volume is on x-axis. Given options 13R by 6, 7r by 6, 3r by 5, 2r by 5. It's an excellent important question. So how we can do, that is from first law thermodynamics, dq equal to du plus dw. Actually dq equal du plus dw. What is the specific heat actually? dq by n dt. N is 1 mole is given. So dq by dt. C is equal to du plus dw by dt. Okay. This is ncv dt plus dw by dt. Here we are getting n is 1 mole is given, cv dt by dt 1. So dw by dt. We have to find work done and also difference in temperature. So this is cv. Helium gas is given, monoatomic gas is given. So that is 3r by 2 plus dw by dt. So 3r by 2 plus dw by dt. So we have to find dw as well as dt. Okay. So we are going to find dw. What is work done? That is nothing but area. Area is here to here area. First you write this area, that is 4 V0 into, that is 3 P0. Okay. Plus this is the half base into height, half 4 V0 into, this is 6 P0 minus 3 P0, that is 3 P0. So this cancel. So what we are getting? dw 12 plus 6. So 18 P0 V0. So this is the dw. Okay. Next we have to find dt. What is dt? dt is temperature at B minus temperature at A. Temperature nothing but ideal gas equation here, PV by NR. What is P? 6 P0, 5 V0. So that is 30 P0 V0 by NR is N is 1 mole R only. Just ideal gas equation I am applying at B. 6 P0 into 5 V0 by NR. N is 1 into R minus A. 3 P0 into V0. So minus 3 P0 V0 by NR is N is 1. 1 mole is given. So that is R. 27 P0 V0 by R. So this is dt. As you know that previous step, that is 3R by 2 plus, what is the work done? 18 P0 V0 by, so 27 P0 V0 by R. It comes up. So P0 V0 cancel here. Okay. So 9 2s are 9 3s are. Okay. So by taking LCM, 3 into 3 9 4. So that is 13 R by 6. So after taking the LCM, we are getting 13 R by 6. So in the given options, first option is 13 R by 6. So hope you understood. So first option is correct. Okay. Number 10. Volume versus temperature graph of 2 moles of helium. Here helium gas is given, that is the monoatomic gas, is as shown in figure. The ratio of heat absorbed and the work done by the gas in the process 1 to 2. Heat absorbed by work done is asking. Actually this graph is given, V is proportional to T, that means V is proportional to T, that means pressure is constant. Pressure is constant. Okay. At constant pressure, fraction of work, fraction of heat energy converted into work, that is 1 minus 1 by gamma. 1 minus 1 by gamma. So what we are getting? dq by dw is asking. So gamma by gamma minus 1. So for monoatomic 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. Gamma value is 5 by 3. So dq by dw, that is 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 minus 1. So 5 by 3 by, that is 2 by 3. So what we are getting? 3 cancel here. The ratio of heat energy by work done, that is 5 by 2. Sir, since constant pressure is constant, so we have to apply the fraction of heat energy converted into work, that is 1 minus 1 by gamma. So dq by dw, that is gamma by gamma minus 1. But for helium, gas is helium, that is the monoatomic gas. The monoatomic gas, degree of freedom is 3. 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. This is, you can substitute in this. Then we substituted this 5 by 3 in this gamma. 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 by 2 by 3, we are getting 5 by 2. In the given options, that second option is there, that is the 5 by 2. So second option is correct. Okay.